TACO cocktail number 2. I know all my friends at Icon Brickell love to drink, but I don't know if everyone here likes it spicy. I love it spicy, and I know Alex loves it spicy.
I sure do.
Just like the last margarita, we're going to use Don Julio Blanco and the Mandarin Napoleon, and the recipe's pretty much the same, but I kick it up a little bit with habanero. Habanero is one of the spiciest of all chilies. It has great aroma and fragrance. It's an aromatic chili. It has a different flavor profile than most other chilies, and it's super spicy. I make it with pineapple, and this is fresh pineapple. But we're just gonna add chilies to the shaker.
Probably shouldn't use your hands. Don't touch your eyes.
Anyway, so we have habanero and fresh pineapple. We're gonna muddle that. If you've ever heard anyone talk about muddling, this is a muddler. This is, we're gonna mash it up. Basically macerating the fruits and the chili, giving it a really, getting out all the juice and all the flavors.
Summer even wants one. Summer, do you want a cocktail?
You want a habanero? Okay, so we're gonna mash this up really good because we want as much of the oils from that chili as possible.
Really mashing.
We want this to be really spicy. The good thing about spicy cocktails is that your lips get really, really hot and on fire.
Yeah, not everyone likes that.
Well, they're gonna learn to like it.
I like it though.
And that makes them want to drink more, and the more they drink, the spicier it gets. It's so good. Releases endorphins in your brain, and that's what makes it.
Scott almost killed me on one of our first dates when he cooked for me.
We're gonna put some ice cubes, and then we're gonna go 2 ounces Don Julio Blanco, 2 ounces lime juice. We're gonna give a little twist to this one and put 1 ounce of OJ, fresh squeezed orange juice, ½ ounce of agave nectar because this already has the sweetness from the pineapple, and then 1 ounce of this Mandarin Napoleon liqueur. And then we're gonna shake that up. This one we're gonna shake really, really hard because we're gonna serve it martini style. A lot of times, especially in Mexico, when you order a margarita, they'll serve it straight up, like you would have a martini in a martini glass. And I love margaritas that way, so that's how we're gonna do this. We're going to rim the glass with tahini, just like we did with the last one. And then we're gonna strain this into this beautiful crystal martini glass. And then we're gonna put a fresh ring of habanero on the top.
Be careful when you bite into it.
And if you want, you can put a little bit of
pineapple. Fancy.
Pineapple leaf. Ooh, spicy. But that is so delicious. So that is one of my favorite margaritas of all time.
Me too.
Of all time.